Gain knowledge through reading. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist, author, and politician. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a famous name in the whole world. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born in a poor family on 15th of October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin was a boat owner and his mother Ashiamma was a housewife. Although the life of Abdul Kalam was filled with struggles and hardships, he rose above the adversaries to become one of the greatest scientists of modern India. His role in nation building will be remembered till posterity. He authored several books including Mission India, The Luminous Sparks, India 2020, Wings of Fire and Guiding Souls. APJ Abdul Kalam was a vegetarian. In his words, "I was forced to become a vegetarian due to financial constraints, but I eventually came to enjoy it. Today, I am a complete vegetarian." Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Due to his immense popularity, he was called the People's President. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was bestowed with various awards and honors. He has been conferred with the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan, and the prestigious Bharat Ratna. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam used to interact with young people and children all over the country and encouraged them with his motivational speeches. He breathed his last on July 27, 2015. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam will remain in our hearts forever. Quotes from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Don't take rest after your first victory because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. I am not handsome but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Because beauty is required in the heart, not in face. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. Two rules for a peaceful life: depression and failure should never go to heart, and ego and success should never go to the brain. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs. But truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. All of us do not have equal talent. But all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody, but if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Would you like to learn more? Put a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.